and then record screen. Okay, now we're recording. So we'll see how this one goes. This is Artesia, New Mexico, pointing over towards Jaycee Park. Supposedly they're supposed to have a drone show over there. And normally when they have regular fireworks, this will be the first year they don't. They have a drone show. We see it from our backyard off of 2nd Street. I'm not seeing it. No, maybe they start later on. I don't know. They're shooting off fireworks in our neighborhood. Where are they coming from? To the south of us, it looks like. God dang it, those mosquitoes. We had some rain recently, and now the mosquitoes are really bad. We're both wearing hoodies to help with the mosquitoes, but they're still all over the place. This is July 4th, 2025. It always sounds like a war zone. 4th of July in Artesia. Well, they did this. So far, it looks like a sissy drone show thing that we don't even see now.
I don't think they're doing it.
Well, they were supposed to do it. At least that's what I heard. Maybe they're not doing it at all. Maybe they're just doing it over again in Roswell. They had it on Thursday in Roswell. And we weren't there, but I was looking at the webcam. And yeah, it showed the webcam. People looking up at the sky. Never did see any drone show over there because of the on the webcam. God dang it! It's a war zone. On the webcam, didn't have the right angle. Behind us too? They must be out in the street in the front. It's far enough. Hope they don't burn down anything.
See those that are behind us?
I'd have to swing all the way on. Where? Behind us? Back there?
There was tons of behind us. I mean, it was very impressive.
Okay, what time is it now? Well, I wonder if they're starting at 9:30. We still got a ways to, let me see, 78%. We don't have to take it down right now. I only got a small area I could actually film. I got so many wires in my backyard. I'm afraid of hitting them when I'm coming down. I normally don't film in my backyard. This hoodie's hot.
Well, it's better than being bit.
Yeah, I know. Those mosquitoes are insane right now. It's trouble. We finally get a green desert. Oh, that's over towards the refinery. I can tell that. We'll finally get a green desert, and then what do we got? A million mosquitoes.
They're doing a bunch behind us again.
John. I'll sit over there and watch. There won't be anything.
Well, you have to look up, I guess.
Oh. I'm trying to see. This one looks up. Whoops, that's looking down. Well, that's somebody right in our front yard, basically, out in the street. A lot better show up in our front yard than out in the street than it is anywhere else. Of course, there are neighbors.
I guess they got a lot of Mexicans.
Where do they get? They probably went to Mexico to get these. They were selling them in the parking lot of Walmart this year, but they're probably not as good. I doubt if Walmart could sell the illegal fireworks. There's something over there. I'm hearing some other odd weird stuff. Shit. We got our own fireworks show right in our front yard.
Look behind us here, you can see it. It's more impressive watching it like this.
Dang. I guess. Wow. I guess we don't have to be concerned about the. Okay, this says 70%. We still got a lot of time. Did they stop? Oh man.
Probably getting more.
Maybe they're running out, or they have to light some more, huh?
Probably getting more out.
Well, let me bring it down. And spin it around, I guess. Our neighbors gave us a pretty good show there. Okay, I don't know exactly what direction we're pointing at right now. It's hard to tell if I'm pointing towards Jaycee Park or not.
Yeah, you're pointing west right now. Now you're going southwest.
Well, I sure as heck don't see. Oh yeah, there's that tower. I sure as heck don't see any drone show. I think Artesia got ripped off. Unless they're waiting for like 9:30. Looks like they're burning down the house over there. Flamethrowers. Let's see how much time we got. 66. We got 66%. Still no drone show. Be funny if the drone show's just barely above the ground or something like that.
You're looking mostly north.
Yeah. I mean, they used to have we see them easily from our backyard. Just get up on the roof or launch this quadcopter. Now we don't see crap. No drone show. Thank you, Artesia, to switch the way we're going to watch our fireworks. But I guess Dean's doesn't even do it anymore. They got out of the business. That's over there towards the refinery, so it's got to be over here. Still trying to look in case we see a drone show. What time does it say? We were definitely high enough.
9:17.
9:17. Watch out, bring it down and then start right at 9:30 or something. 62%. I could zoom over there for some of that stuff. Let's see. It's a maximum zoom. I think it's they get those mosquitoes are biting my hand.
Yeah. I had to hide my hands.
It's kind of pretty over that way. I think I know where Jaycee Park is. I see a bunch of lights that way in a row, and it does look like something's up in the air over there, but like they were trying to imitate. I don't know though. That's probably in between here and there, so it's probably not even at Jaycee Park.
I don't see
No, I mean they'd have some impressive displays, and they'd shoot them up pretty high. So where are we at now? We're at 55%.
There's a lot of stuff that I can't see in the
Oh, over there? Yeah, because we're up above the tree. We're higher up. Looks like a plane over there. See it? A plane. See it? Yeah, they're at a helicopter. It's coming down. Low. Really low. It's like it's going to land over there. Wherever that was. Unless that's over by the airport. No, I don't think it's by the airport either. God damn it. Mosquitoes. That's zoomed back in or out, whatever. Doesn't really have any zoom now.
I think it's mostly done now. Not really seen many.
Well, they're even dying out locally, it looks like.
People mostly used them all up.
Probably. All right, where's the drone show, damn it?
I don't think I guess you're looking north.
Yeah, I'm probably looking sort of north,
That was
west.
refinery over there.
What is it, 50%? I still got a long time to film. What time is it now? Just in case. Okay, this is directly because you see the street behind us. So I know
I could see the drone, or I
drone?
could see our quadcopter up there.
Oh,
It
you
is
do?
Pointing Pointing mostly west.
Yeah. Maybe slightly southwest.
Yeah,
I don't know.
so slightly southwest.
But that would be where Jaycee Park's at. What time is he in?
9:23.
Piss me off if they do it right at 9:30, and then I'll miss most of it. I bet you nobody else even knows it's up there, huh? Because I can't see it. Oh, you don't see it either?
I mean, well, no, I can see it.
Our
But
quadcopter?
I can't see the lights on it.
Oh. It's only 60 feet high. Maybe somehow I turned off the lights accidentally. I hope not, because we got to bring that thing back.
But I can still see it. Well, I can help you get it.
All right. Tell me when it's 9:30. 46% left. I have one of the extended batteries in it. So it's got whatever that tracking shit they want. Unless they've changed something within the past 6 months, I got everything that the government wanted. Well, if you show some more, I'll pan up. Whoops, wrong way.
You only fired once.
Well, cheapos. I wonder what one of those cost. They usually sell them in packs, right, or something like that. People probably spend hundreds of dollars on these things, huh?
Well, they're more expensive now.
I haven't spent a dime on fireworks since I was a kid, and then I didn't. Is that a red light over there? It's just moving.
It's a Chinese lantern. Yeah.
Somebody launched a Chinese lantern.
Yep. And it's gonna burn somebody's lawn.
Well, it could burn somebody's house if it lands on it. You sure that's a Chinese lantern? Is that why they look red like that?
Yeah. Still behind the tree, but it'll come over. It's mostly going north right now.
Okay, I think I'm. Whoa. I'm thinking I'm seeing it. I'm seeing a light.
Yeah, you're mostly pointed towards it.
You still see that red one?
Yeah.
The red light? Where's it at? Over there somewhere?
Yeah, it's just over there.
I'd burn the place down, put Chinese lanterns.
It's not very smart. And poor dogs, they don't want to come out here.
Oh, they're scared. Okay, we're at 38%. We're still good on some time.
Let me check the time. 9:27.
Oh man, watch! I'll have to bring this down here in a few minutes. I could hear the quadcopters too.
Red and green light. It's like flashing red and green.
Where?
And it's over there, but it's behind the tree. You'd have to kind of move over here. Come back down. It's somebody's quadcopter.
Oh, somebody else flying a quadcopter, you think? Well, there's a lot of people have them now.
I can't even see ours. I think you have your lights turned off on yours.
I hope they're not turned off. We need to see it. Be able to bring it down.
There's no lights on it at all.
No way.
So yeah, nobody has no idea it's up there.
I didn't know there was a way to turn off lights. I must have done it somehow, or their last update did that.
I can still see it.
It had lights when we launched it, right? It was flashing lights. 60. It's so small. It's hard to see. I guess even 60 feet away. What time is it now?
Almost 9:30. Let me see. 9:29.
31%. Still got a lot.
We've been recording 22 minutes.
Yeah. Well, it's funny, these smaller, whatever it's mini threes, I guess it is. They're better than the Phantom 3 I got, and the Mavic Pro, as far as time. And matter of fact, I think their camera's better too. Wonder what kind of firework that is. It almost sounds like a Uzi or something. 29%. I'm thinking about bringing it down here shortly. And it is after 9:30 now?
Let's see. It is, yeah, it's 9:30 right now.
And they're not. If they had a drone show, I sure didn't see it. And by now they would have it.
I guess you're pointing northwest.
Why? How can you tell?
Yeah, I can look up there and see it.
Oh.
It's pointing northwest right now.
Well, right now I should be pointing towards Jaycee Park, I would assume.
Let's see. You're pointing, yeah, mostly west now. It's west.
Who knows? Maybe the drones mimic fireworks. I thought they've had drone shows that show all kinds of stuff. Like over in Roswell, they could make a spaceship look like a spaceship's out there or something.
Up there, I wonder if that's another plane.
Where?
It's,
Should I bring this down, John?
no, it's way over there.
Oh.
Way over there.
60 feet's not even as tall as some trees are. Whoa. 25%. I think I'm gonna. I don't know when the alarm goes off. So instead of waiting for that time, I'm going to.
9:32 right now. So.
I don't see nothing. I'm gonna start bringing it down. Let me know if it's. Hopefully, it didn't drift over by the trees or anything like that.
Fine, just keep bringing it down.
It's not too close to that tree.